there, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Alexa, and this place is simply a place where I share what I'm learning with makeup, hoping that it also helps someone who is also trying to figure things out. Yeah, so today's video is going to be a tutorial of full face of makeup using drugstore products only. Drugstore products that works like high-end products, drugstore products that are quite affordable. Yeah, these products might not be new releases, but they actually work, and I think that's what matters. So this video is going to be as beginner friendly as possible. So let's get started. I'll be starting off with my skin prep, yeah, and for my skin prep, I'm only going to make use of my moisturizer and my primer. And these two products are so nice and so affordable. Yeah, so for my moisturizer, I'll be making use of this my Omaricode moisture serum. This moisturizer is so nice, yes, and lightweight. Yeah, so and I can assure you that you're not going to regret using this serum for the skin prep. Yeah, so now I'll be using my hand to apply it on my face. Yeah, be rubbing it into my skin. I really like this serum because it's so good, lightweight, and very affordable. Yeah, this moisturizer is a thing that you can get as a beginner that you don't want to spend too much of money on your products. This serum does the job perfectly well. So I'll be making use of this, my Rimmel mattifying primer as always. Yeah, I really like this primer because it's so mattifying. I really love it, and it always gives me the results that I want each time I use it. This primer is so nice and so affordable. As a girl who has a oily skin, this primer is the one you really need. Yes, it's so mattifying, and I can assure you that you are not going to regret buying this primer. Yeah, and it's one of the reasons why I even like it. Yeah, each time I use it, I always love the results, and I don't regret getting this primer. Yeah, I'm going to be using this foundation, my Veebeauty foundation, and this one also. I'm going to be mixing the two together as always to give me the perfect foundation shade for my skin. Yeah, so now I'll be doing that right now, using my brush to apply my foundation on my face. Okay, just a little bit, it on my face, little by little, nothing too much on my face. See, I also like this foundation. Each time I use this foundation, I always enjoy the seamless results it normally gives me. So I'm doing this other side now. Can you see that it's so nice now? This foundation is the best. I really like it. I'm using this my brush to apply my blush on my cheek. So going in with it now. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I forgot to show you the product I'm using for my blush right now. Yes, I'm using this my palette here for my blush. I'm using this shade right here for my blush. This palette, this product is so good, and I really like this product because it serves a lot of purpose. It serves as a lot of things for me. I can use this for my blush, for my lip, for my base, like a lot of things. And that is exactly the reason why I love this product, and the fact that this product is so affordable. Yeah, that is also one of the reasons why I love the product, because it's so affordable. If you are a beginner looking to get a product that does not looking to get a product that is not really going to cost you much, then this palette is the one you need. I'll be using this my Avoid concealer. This concealer is so nice. I've been using this concealer for a while now, and I can assure you that this concealer is so good. It's easy to blend, even though it's a Nigerian product. It gives the result. It gives a good result. In as much as you know how to blend it, then you are surely good to go. So I'll be applying it in the inner corner of my eye and the outer corner of my eye. We're doing the same thing here. Yeah, these products are so affordable. Even though they are Nigerian brands, they don't disappoint me. Most of the products I'll be using today are Nigerian brands. Yeah, but just because they are Nigerian brands does not mean they are not good or anything. They are really nice. My nose. I'm going to be setting my under eye. And to set my under eye, I'm making use of this my powder palette. Yes, Veebeauty powder palette. This powder palette is so good, it's so nice, and it's affordable. Yes, it has 8 different shades of powder that you can use for your skin, for your face. Yes, a dark skin, a light skin person can surely use this powder palette. Yeah, and it's so good. So I'm going to be using it to set my under eye today. Yes, I'm going to be making use of this shade here to set my under eye. So yeah, can you see it? And set my forehead too. I'll be using the same powder palette to powder my face. So now I'll be doing that. See, in as much as you know how to apply your product correctly, and you make sure you get products that are also good, even though they are not too expensive and all that, and you get products that are also good, oh my god, I can surely tell you and assure you that you are really good to go in your makeup game. Did my brows off camera, yeah, and I really like it. It came out nice. This is the first time I'll be doing my brows this time. Yes, and for my brows, I make use of this my brow gel to draw my brows. Yeah, and this brow gel came in two. Yeah, it's 2 in 1. This is black and this is the brown. Yeah, this gel is so nice and so affordable, and as you can see, this is the same one I used to like draw my brows, and it came out nice. Yeah, it's nice. You can actually use this black one to line your eyes, your waterline. I use this my S1 translucent setting powder to set my under eye. Yeah, then I did my brows. For my eyeshadow, I'm using this eyeshadow palette. Yes, it's in brown. Yes, that color, brown color. Yes, this palette is so nice. If you'll be watching my video, you see that I've always been using this. I use this most time. That is because it's so nice, so pigmented, and it's affordable. Even if you can't afford this size, there's a smaller size of it that you can also get. Yeah. So now I'll be doing my eyeshadow, and for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be doing something simple for real. So I'll be using one of this color just to blend my eye, just a little, yeah. I don't just want to leave my eye empty like that, plain like that, so I decided to add a bit of this color there. I'll be using this my liner to line my eye. I think this liner is getting dry already, so I'll be using this my brow gel. Yes, the one I was talking about earlier, the one in black. I'll be using it. I'll use it as my liner. Yes. So since it's getting dry already, so I decided to like do it like this. So this is it. Just a little. So I'm using this mascara now for my for my eyelashes to just brush it out, since I won't be using lashes for my hair. So I'll just use this one to like brush the hair up. Yeah, just like this. Wow. So see serve me well. Yeah, each time I use it always turn out nice. Yeah, it's so easy to blend. It's not all these lipstick that you blend and it will now start fading. No, this particular lipstick is not like that. I'll go in with another shade of lip after this one. Yeah. For another shade of lip I wanted to use, I'll be using this my palette. Yes, it's one I used earlier for my blush, and I'll be using it now for my lip. I'll use this shade right here for my lip. I hope it turned out nice. It's still red. I don't think I like this shade. Use another shade here. Wow. So I'll dust off the setting powder I used to paint my face earlier. Yeah, and I think that will be all. Yeah, so let me do the same here also. Yeah, so I'll use the brush I used earlier just to touch it. I'm using my powder puff to set the under eye very well. Brush to also powder my face. Yeah, so I think that's all. I'll be locking everything, setting everything with this my spray here to lock my makeup. Yeah, so now I'll be spraying it on my face. Yeah. Wow, this spray is so nice. Yeah, and it's so affordable. I can surely tell you that my makeup always lasts longer whenever I use this spray, and this spray is so affordable. Yes, you don't need to break the bank before you can get this spray. Yeah, and it's a Nigerian brand also, and I can tell you that even for the price and the fact that it's a Nigerian brand, it still does the job perfectly well each time I use it. So, and that is it. That is that about that. I'll be using my mascara for my bottom lashes. So here is the finished stylish look, and I'm glad the whole look turned out nice. Yeah, the products I use today are quite affordable and nice. They might not be new releases or high-end products, but they actually work, and I think that's what really matters. Yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and please don't forget to check out my video I did on eyeshadow tutorial, and I'm sure you are going to gain one or two from the video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.